Have you ever feel like being lost? Yes, it happens. It's natural. So when do you feel like being lost and what do you do when you feel lost? So let's talk about it. We feel lost because of mostly two reasons. Number one is the information overload because of which we are not sure which way to go, which platform to use to do business, what strategies to be used to get going and all those things. The second reason would be our own expectation versus reality. We have expected something to achieve in certain period of time and we are moving towards it, but somehow things are maybe not happening with the right pace which we expect, right? And there is nobody to validate it. So we feel like whether it is wrong or right, we feel lost. So in both the cases, what should be done in order to not being lost? So the number one point is validate your actions with somebody who has already walked the path. Maybe you are on the right path, you don't know actually, because there is nobody to handhold you and tell you that okay, this is the right path and you are doing well. Maybe you are expecting the results to be coming faster and you are expecting a lot from you in a lesser period of time. So you again need a mentor to help you say that okay, it needs this much of a time to give you this kind of a result, so keep on going, have patience. So these two reasons I have seen a lot of people, either they are on the wrong path, there is nobody to correct them, or even if they are on the right path, there is nobody to validate them. In both of the cases you need a guide, like what we do with our kids. When our child is maybe not able to understand maths or science or any particular subject, we send them to a teacher. What does the teacher do? The teacher imbibes them the right concept and tells them that okay, this is the right way to go, practice it and let's get going, and that is how it is done. So here also in coaching and freelancing business, what I do is my only purpose is to give you results. And how it is gonna happen? By actually mentoring and monitoring. Mind it, mentoring and monitoring at every step, which is going to give you the right results. It's not about playing in the dark, it's not about just talking about the strategies, because strategies will keep on changing with time. Nobody can stick to one particular strategy for years, right? So since the business is dynamic, online platforms are so dynamic, you have to be dynamic. So the course correction has to be there at regular intervals. So if you have a mentor who can help you check and say, yes, this is the right path and you are doing well, I think you will not be able feeling like getting lost, because there is somebody to help you understand the right path, boost your confidence and validate whatever you're doing. So if you are feeling lost, take help of somebody. Nothing wrong in asking for help. If somebody has already walked the path, go to somebody whom you can have a better chemistry and understanding. The person has already achieved what you wanted in your life, and then start taking the guidance that will help you from getting over the overwhelm of getting lost. And obviously you'll be always getting regular updates, because I keep on doing that, and also the validations on a regular basis that will help you move ahead. That's it.